Good morning, dear students. Today we will do maths of class 5th. We will do question number 5, 6, 7 and 8 of exercise 8.1. So let's start. Dear students, Arpan made a beautiful picture on a sheet of paper. He wants to frame this picture. For that, he goes to the market and asks the shopkeeper to frame the picture. He also wants to know the price of the frame. The shopkeeper tells Arpan that the price of the frame depends upon the length of the frame. Dear students, the length of the frame will be equal to the perimeter of the sheet. For that, he measures the sheet from all the four sides. Dear students, after measuring it, he finds that the length of the sheet is 35 centimeters. The breadth of the sheet is 25 centimeters. The other length of the sheet is 35 centimeters and the other breadth of the sheet is 25 centimeters. Dear students, to find the perimeter, the shopkeeper adds both the lengths and both the breadths of the sheet. After adding them, he gets the answer 120 centimeters. Dear students, as we know that the length of the frame is equals to the perimeter of the sheet, that means 120 centimeters of frame is used to frame the sheet. Now let's solve this sum in a mathematical pattern. Length of sheet is 35 centimeters. Its breadth is 25 centimeters. As the sheet is of rectangular shape, to find the perimeter, we will use the formula 2 bracket length plus breadth bracket closed. So we get the answer 120 centimeters. So 120 centimeters frame is used to frame the picture. Dear students, let's solve question number 5 of exercise 8.1. The length and breadth of a rectangular park is 96 meters and 64 meters respectively. Find the length of wire which can fence it all around. Dear students, this is the rectangular park. To find out the length of the wire to be used, we have to find out the perimeter of the park. For that, we will measure it. The length of the park is 96 meters. The breadth of the park is 64 meters. The another length of the park is 96 meters and the another breadth of the park is 64 meters. Dear students, to find out its perimeter, we have to add both the lengths and both the breadths of the park. After adding them, we get the answer 320 meters. Dear students, as the length of the wire to be used is equal to the perimeter of the park. That means 320 meter wire is required. Students, let's solve this sum in the mathematical pattern. Length of park is 96 meters. Its breadth is 64 meters. As the park is of rectangular shape, to find the perimeter of this park, we will use the formula 2 bracket length plus breadth bracket closed. After solving this, we get the answer 320 meters. Dear students, length of the wire required is equal to the perimeter of the park. So, the length of the wire required to fence the park is 320 meters. Now, let's solve question number 7 of exercise 8.1. A player runs around a square track of side 50 meters. How many rounds will he take to complete the race of 2000 meters? Dear students, side of the track is 50 meters. As this track is of square shape, to find its perimeter, we will use the formula 4 into side. That is 4 into 50 meters. We get 200 meters. So distance covered by the player is 2000 meters. To find out the rounds covered by him, we will divide 2000 meters by 200 meters. The answer is 10. So he will take 10 rounds to complete the race. Now let's solve question number 8 Fill in the blanks. Its part A is perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 bracket length plus dash bracket closed. We will fill breadth in the blank. Part B is perimeter of square is equal to dash into side. We will fill 4 in the blank. Part C is the perimeter of a closed figure made of line segments is dash of lengths of its all sides. We will fill sum in this blank. Dear students, we have solved question number 8 of exercise 8.1. Now it's time for homework, and for homework you have to solve question number 5, 6, 7 and 8 in your notebooks. Dear students, thank you so much. Have a nice day.